From water scarcity to water surplus. This is the story of change by Novozymes. Year 2019. We, as a socially responsible corporate, identified severely water-stressed villages, Thaurwadi and Sainagar, in the Wadhaval Gram Panchayat around the Patal Ganga river basin in Maharashtra. This area was neglected from watershed development works, resulting in very low soil and water conservation, and getting access to drinking water was painfully difficult here. The women of these villages would travel 2 kilometers or more in hilly terrain to fetch water for fulfilling their daily needs. To address these issues, a historic rural development program was undertaken by Novozymes by engaging the Anarde Foundation. Water security was the key aim to suffice the water needs of the villagers. For soil and water conservation, activities like loose boulder structures, gabion and core wall gabion, recharge trench and recharge shaft, well and water scheme rejuvenation were carried out. These helped in increasing surface water storage as well as groundwater recharge and provided water at the doorsteps of the villagers.
आज ह्या वाडीत 70-80 घरं आहेत, परंतु पाण्याचं भरपूर हाल होतंय.
मार्च महिन्यापर्यंत पाणी भरपूर असायचा विहिरीमध्ये. त्यानंतर पाणी कमी कमी होऊन ते संपूर्ण विहिरी सुकून जातात. विहिरीत गाळ भरपूर असायचा.
डोक्यावर हाणायचं पाणी. एवढे लांबून शाने मग साहेब लोकांना दया आली तर दारादारात न दिला.
Now, to care for the environment, we've also planted around 1,500 horticultural trees in and around Thaurwadi village. Similar efforts have also been extended to adjacent villages like Borivli Katkariwadi and Dhangarwadi. This is not the end. The story of Project NOWO will continue in and around the entire Patal Ganga river basin.